We're seeing that the ECM market is up on last year in Asia Pacific. What can you tell us about it?
Yeah, looking at Dealogic this morning, we can see Asia Pacific ECM numbers are up to $124 billion. So that's up around 7.6% on 2016 year to date. And interestingly as well, we've seen 108 more deals in comparison to the same period last year. So you may ask what's driving that volume. We'd have to look at India specifically. India's doubled in volume to around $9.4 billion. We saw State Bank of India issue at around $2.3 billion earlier on this year. And there's still a lot more deals in the pipeline in India. So there's a lot of interesting things happening in Asia at the moment.
And in terms of the IPO pipeline, what are the deals that we're seeing coming to market now?
Yeah, the one that catches my interest is Lotte Chemicals. So as we all know, Lotte Group is the 5th largest conglomerate in South Korea. They ran into a number of issues last year, which forced them to delay the IPO of their Malaysian subsidiary, Lotte Chemicals. If that deal price is to the top end of the range, that will be around $1.4 billion. And it'll be good to see another $1 billion plus deal in Malaysia, given the overhang with 1MDB and everything else that's been happening in Malaysia. And also this deal would be only the 4th $1 billion plus deal in Malaysia. Another point I think that's interesting around that deal is in terms of strategic investors who already account for 20% of that deal up front. And this is one of the things Dealogic's been trying to help our clients with, is analyzing the tendencies of cornerstone and strategic investors up front.
We're also seeing quite a lot of movements out of Thailand in terms of the IPO market.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of activity in the Thai energy sector. So B.Grimm is another big deal we're looking forward to in the next couple of weeks or so. That will be around $350 million, and it will be the 3rd Thai energy company to list within the last 6 months. So speaking to a lot of bankers on the street in Southeast Asia, there's a lot of focus and pitching going on in the Thai energy sector at the moment.
Okay, thank you very much.